Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Everything for Us. My name is Angel. Hope you're all doing good. Today we are going to see the kurtis which I bought from Ajio website. This is not a promotional video. I bought all these kurtis when the sale was going on, so I could get it with very good discount. And all these kurtis are from the brand Siahi alone. This time I tried only Siahi, and we will review the kurtis one by one. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe for more videos. And this is our first kurti. This is dark blue and maroon design on top of this cream color fabric. It is really looking very nice. This is not a print, it is a design in the fabric itself, so the color will not go at all. And the highlight of this kurti is the embroidery whatever they have given in both the sides. It is dark red thread they have used. It is actually maroon, and on top of that they have kept some beads as well, which is really looking nice. And this is giving elegant rich look to this kurti. We can even wear this kurti as daily wear. And the highlight of the kurti is the piping whatever they have given in the sleeves as well as in the neckline. It's really looking very nice, and it will look very stiff when we wear it. And the bottom part they have given this check material, which is also looking very nice, which is the same color combination they have given. This is amazing actually. We can wear it this occasionally, and even for daily wear we can use it. It's a very comfortable material for summer and any climate we can use it. And it's a flared kurti, so we can just wear like this. If you're a person who doesn't like to wear without sleeves, then I think we can even go with the strug as well. This will go very well with it. And the original price of this kurti is 1199, but I got it with very good discount and I paid only 407 rupees, which is a very good deal. We will not get this kind of fabric for 400 rupees from anywhere else. Also, this kind of material will really last for years, and after washing this will become little more thick as well. One important thing what I have to say you is that whenever you order online, whenever you receive it, please open the box and check the quality of the fabric immediately before removing the tag itself. If you remove the tag, then it will be very difficult to return it. So please ensure there is no color damage, there is no issues with the cloth, there is no damage. All these things you have to ensure before you remove the tag. This is our next kurti, and this is a cotton kurti. This is also very thick cotton kurti actually. I ordered L size, but unfortunately the size of the kurti it is written XL, though it is showing L in the tag. The original tag which shows in the kurti is XL. So this kind of issues also will come, especially when we order online. Even if you go to shop also, you can see this kind of mismatches. So after wearing, you try it, and then if it's not fitting, please return it immediately. And this kurti, it is like maternity wear, because all these buttons whatever they have given in the front, it is removable buttons. So, and the stitching is also very good. This they have done this princess cutting, and the sleeves also it is looking very nice. That cut whatever they have given in the sleeve, it is looking very nice. This is a half sleeve. And the design in the kurti, which is looking very nice. Even we can pair this kurti with a maroon color legging as well. The stitching and everything of this kurti, especially this brand Siahi, it is very good. We have reviewed a lot of kurtis from Siahi. It's really good. Original price of this kurti is 1199, but I got it for 407 rupees, which is very good deal. Also, this kurti is having two pockets. It's just for the show, but still we can keep some pen or mobile inside this pocket as well. This is looking very nice, and there is no slit in the sides. It's like a frock, and I really like this fabric as well. It's very thick. And let's see the next kurti. I like this kurti a lot because of this beautiful color combination. This pink and orange is giving an elegant look to this kurti, and this fabric is little soft, like silky material it is, and it is having a mandarin collar, and this will not stay stiff. It is like a little silky, and the material it is cotton. And this one, the original price is 799, but I got it for 271, which is a very good deal. And the front part, if you look, they have kept the shell buttons, and there is some fabric which is kept in the front, that is just for the show. And this is having slits in both the sides, and the stitching is also very good. We don't find any mistake in the Siahi stitching. And another speciality of the Siahi brand is that they normally keep one pocket for all the kurtis. So if we compare with Avasa, the price of the Siahi brand is little costly, like 20-30 rupees will be always extra, and this is the reason also. And the material, it is really looking good. This is very good material. And this piece of fabric, whatever they have kept like a flower, it is just for the show, like there is no connection between this fabric and the entire kurti. And they have kept this design also there, which actually I think it is hand stitched, so we can remove it as well. And the bottom part, it is same kurti, plain it is, and the stitching is also very good. That's all about this kurti. Let's check the next kurti. This kurti, actually I thought when I ordered this will not look good, but trust me, this is one of the best kurtis in this set. This color combination is really good. The light and dark blue color with this mandarin collar and the contrast color shell button, it's amazing actually. And this is an ideal office wear if you are going for an interview and all. This is the best dress. You can choose this kind of dress. It's very simple and it will suit for everybody. And this buttons, it is just for the show. We cannot open all the buttons, only in the top portion we can open it. And here they have kept pocket as well, as I already said in the previous kurti. It's the same design. And the front portion, there is a small slit in the middle, and the sides also they have given slit. We can use it with palazzo, legging, even with jeans it will go very well. And let's see the next kurti. This is again a cotton kurti. This is red color, but it's a mix of red and orange. And this is having embroidery in the front portion. This is having mandarin collar as well. This is how this kurti looks. Original price of this kurti is 899, but I got it with very good discount and I paid only 305 rupees. Likewise, if you can find it in the discount sale, we will always get it with very good discount. And this kurti in the front portion, if you look, it is having a rich embroidery. The embroidery is very nice, it is thick. And the side also they are given one pocket. As I said, in all the kurtis they have given pocket. And the sleeves, it is having 3/4 sleeve. It is a plain sleeves. Even if you want, we can make it small as well. And the front portion, if you look, it is plain and it is having slits in both the sides. The material is really thick, and even I think after washing this will become little more thick. And only problem, it is like for some people it will be little deep, and without that much length I don't think we can put it in the head as well, so it is very much needed as well. And let's see the next kurti. This is a pink color kurti. This is rayon fabric, and it's a long kurti, and it is very wide. It's a wide kurti, and this contrast color, contrast blue, the dark blue buttons and the designs coming in the fabric, that is the highlight of this kurti. This white and blue color combination on this pink kurti, it is really looking nice. And this is also having the pocket. This is having 3/4 sleeve, and the contrast color border is there in the fabric. The design, the pink design in the border looks like it's damaged, but it is actually a design. When I zoom it, you can see it. And there is a strap also. It is already stitched together, so we cannot remove it. It's just for the design they have given. And the length of the kurti is very good. It is having enough length. And this I bought it with 339, which is, I think, it's a very good deal. We will not get for this price, but we will get the discount only when we buy all together. If we buy single kurti, we have to pay the full amount. And this is the next kurti. This is actually a checked kurti, and this is having multicolor, like blue, green, yellow, white, all these colors are there. And this is a small simple kurti with a round neck, and there are some buttons in the front. That buttons are made of shells. It's not a plastic button. And the stitching, it's a plain stitching. There is no other design in it. And this is also having one pocket, and it is having a 3/4 sleeve as well. And the stitching and all, it's normal stitching, there is no complaint. They have put the small stitches, so it will look really nice. We don't need to put an extra stitch to use it. The sleeves also, it is very nice. They have done it differently. This is how it looks, and they have attached one button here as well. This is also stitched together, so we cannot remove it. That's all about this kurti, and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.